Karate Queen here, and today, my brother, he got some Mentos and a Coke, and so now we are going to make it explode, and it's freezing outside today. So,
Okay, ready?
okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I thought it was going to be like.
Look how slowly that is, dude. I want to like pick it up. Okay, back up, Ava, back up. Ava, this way. Okay.
It just tastes like. Shake it up real hard.
Freezing.
Just go like this, Jeffrey. Okay, stop. I'm gonna drink it.
Still in there.
Okay, I'll drink it. Good to me. Let's see if it tastes like Mentos.
This is Mentos.
I know. Tastes like normal Coke. Okay, so there it is, guys. It explodes. Woo! Toodles!